I wanted to shoot this quick video. What, I don't know if anybody here has ever played the board game Monopoly. This game I've been playing all my all my life, it seems, and I still play in real life as we speak. But I've got a 7 and a 10-year-old, and we've been playing Monopoly regularly lately, and the lessons that come out of it, the kids grasp this stuff, right? So I really make sure that I ask them questions every time we go through, the process of adding or subtracting. They have to do it on their own. I allow them the time to do it. I want them to do it on their own. We trigger all these conversations about passive income through real estate as opposed to passing go and collecting your $200 as an employee and all the advantages that come with it. The value of owning real estate as an income generator as opposed to just having cash. The other day we went into this whole conversation where my son had a bunch of money but no real estate, and then we compared like a $500 in cash as opposed to $500 of rental property, and how the $500 in cash made him no money, yet was the same value as the real estate. So it's quite interesting. And but I actually play around with it and I change the rules a bit, because the one thing I don't like about Monopoly, the game, is that it ends when somebody gets bankrupt. And I try to teach my kids that, we should be cooperating. We should be figuring out ways so everybody wins. This is a win-win-win-win situation for everybody, where you as the investor wins, your other players that play, if you can help them win by, either lending them money or exchanging property or extending out loans. So it's a never-ending game. It never stops until we get tired of doing it. But just thought I'd share this quick video. If anybody plays Monopoly, the kids, I don't know, I just love it. And it just, the conversations that come out of it are so interesting. At that age, I actually told my kids the other day, I said, you're 7 and 10 years old. You guys understand things that a lot of adults don't. So just thought I'd share that quick video on the board game Monopoly, which I'm a huge fan of.